I'm Wongster 1970. Today I'm going to be checking the rear bearings, hub bearings on this 2015 Toyota Rav4. Let's get started. As you can see, I already have it jacked up off the ground. Jack stands under the rear suspension on both sides. I think the noise is coming from here. I'm not 100% sure. Let me get my air gun. This is a 20mm or a 13/16. I'm going to put a little bit of lube on here. This is a 14mm. Shouldn't be too tight. Wiggle this off. That out of the way. Put the bolts back in. And these bolts are a 17mm. There's one. These are pretty damn tight. There's two. Brake pads look great. Rotor's not bad. Using a center punch. Let's try to get him behind here. Knock that locking mechanism off. I need a smaller punch to try to get him behind it now. Seems better. This is a 30mm axle nut socket. I'm going to have to turn on the compressor. There is a 10mm socket that you need to remove down here. The speed sensor. Let's see, right here is the sensor. There's a speed sensor. I took that up out of the way. 3, 4. Now they should be fun to get out. It must be a 14. Seems like it. Let's see if I can get her loose. Four. This is a 9-way 5-pound slide hammer puller set, and I'm hoping that this will have what I need on there to get that hub off. And part number is 56505 by Maddox. So let's get back to work. Yeah, this is everything that's in this kit. Looks like you have some jaw pullers. And got two of these different hub attachments. This is a bigger one here, obviously, and this is the one that does fit. So we're going to take out the slide hammer. I'm going to put it on there. put this on the car. Slide this on there. Take one of the lug nuts. Bring that up on there. Ooh, that came right off. Let's see how bad that is. It does sound a little crunchy. It's rusty. So that there's the hub assembly. I got my replacement hub assembly. It's supposed to be a CarQuest Premium. Got this from Advanced. Part number 91-258-930. Anti-seize on the splines. It's a little bit curved at the top, flat at the bottom. It goes this way. Slide by all that stuff. Get the nuts started. And we're supposed to put a new nut on, but this one's in good shape. I'm gonna get me some Loctite for these. I'll be right back. Put some blue Loctite on here. Get them started. If you can see these bolts back in here. Let's see if I can get in there with this. $66 foot-pounds. One. There's that one. Okay, I'm putting rear drum back on. Turn this on. There we go. Slide that back in the hole. And go around a little bit. Put the bolt back in. Should be a 10mm. I'm just gonna make that snug. Move this out of the way. Now I can put my adapter back on. It should go this way. Bracket bolts, 65 foot-pounds. Caliper mounting bolts, 20 foot-pounds. And there's 20. Okay, I'm gonna put the wheel back on there. Just snug this up too. And then I'll have to lower her back down. 159. That's 159 there. Where I cleaned it over, right there. It should keep it from coming back off. Loosening up on me. 76. There we go. That'll do it.